Hey there, so if you're looking for a way how you can sell digital products, I'm going to teach you right now step by step how you can do it. So the first thing that you want to do is that you're going to come here and you're going to website builder and you're going to find here the store manager. Click on it. I don't know if you already created your own store, but if you didn't, it's going to ask you to add your name and things like that for when you're going to add your website. First thing that you need to have a payment set up. So I have right now the manual payment just for this tutorial, cash on delivery, but here you're gonna have options to add by PayPal or Stripe. So connect those, all right? Other payments you're gonna find in the products. I don't know how many digital products you're looking to sell. I will show you right now for the one on how the whole process works, okay? So here you're gonna have add a product. And there you're going to find here the digital product, the product that could be downloaded through the link after the purchase. Click here. Now you're going to have the product, how it looks like. So if you're selling something AI, or I don't know what you're selling, you're just going to add a picture. So I'll just add here me. And I can add a title. Productivity guide PDF, subtitle, best guide for you to be productive, and then you're gonna have the description here. So you can use the AI writer. I'm going to use that. It's a productivity PDF. Please give me also points of how good it is and how effective it is. Now we're going to click generate text and it's going to generate the text for you, the description. Of course you can write here with the points, and you can use even the ChatGPT. You don't have to use the AI writer here. So completely up to you. And then you're going to have the info selection. So great place to add more information about your product. If you want, you can add it. Then add to back button for the product, yes. And then you're gonna have the price amount. So the price, let's say it's going to be €9. Discounted price is going to be, okay, so you know what, it's going to be 9 and price is going to be 14. So the original price is going to be 14, which is going to be striked through, and the discounted price is going to be €9. If you want, you can have SQ and you can track quantity. Then you're gonna find here the custom field here. So this is something that a person has to fill out before they are going to get an order. You can make it mandatory or no. So this is good if, let's say, you are selling cups, right? And person is going to write there that name, that like right there Marcus, and you want to have it mandatory if you have some kind of important information that you need from the person, okay? So I can have it mandatory, and the title is going to be what's your favorite productivity tool. Okay, then you're gonna have the categories. So first you have to create a category to assign it. So let's say you're gonna have multiple digital products, and you are going to have the digital product for I don't know, digital products for productivity, for math, for Excel, who knows, right? And then you're gonna create a categories. I will show you how to do it, and you would assign the categories right here. And then here you're just gonna add a file. So here I'm just going to find some PDF if I have one. Mamma mia. I can find any PDF. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to upload the file here, and then the download link is going to be available for 24 hours, 48, 7 days, or 30 days. I'm going to leave it 30 days. And then you're just gonna click save. And we have it here. The one thing that I wanted to share with you is that here in the categories, you're gonna find here the add a category, and let's say you're gonna have productivity category, and I can assign the product right here, the productivity guide PDF. Do you see that? Click save here. And now when you have it, and I'm going to click save here, I can edit the website. And here, when I'm going to click to shop all products, I'm going to find here the productivity guide PDF. What's your favorite productivity tool? I can go Trello, and I can click here add to bag, and we're gonna find here, then you would see I need to like first update the website. Give me a second, I will show you the whole process. So view site, first all products, and I'm going to click here Trello, add to bag, checkout, and there you're gonna have the email, full name, and country. So like this, and country Afghanistan, cash on delivery, and place an order. Thank you for your order. Your order has been received. And here you see that we got it. Now the process works also like this. What I want to share with you is that you're going to get an option that you received an order. And now when we're going to go further, I want to show you one thing here is that you can edit the product that is going to add you directly to your product page, or you can have edit a section where you can change the layout, also the portrait, the size of the image ratio, image corner radius, if you want to have like circle, not like circle, but you know the corners are not going to be so sharp. The style here, that you can change the text color and everything. And I just want to show you something that I just got the email from the e-commerce site, and this is how it looks like. Look at that. You see that you have selected cash on delivery, order confirmed, right? And we got an email. And then you're gonna find here the button that you can change the colors and everything, and product quantity. So here you see that how it works and what you can do with it, and this is how you can set up the selling for your online product. I hope it helped you at least a little bit, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.